always knew that it was a male-dominated practice. However, I've always been a radicalist, I guess you can say. Knowing who I am and going back to my uncles and my kuia karawa and asking them, why is it that women aren't able to carve? If I'm being honest with you, a lot of them didn't know. They just said that's just the way. That's a tikanga. That wasn't enough for me. And so I had to dive deep and unravel what is tikanga. Because for me, tikanga changes over time and the times have changed and we've got to adjust to that. I love telling people stories through videography, branding and logo design, graphic design, anything like that. And so when I look to whakairo, I enjoy the way that whakairo can uniquely tell stories, especially the stories of our tūpuna, our myths, the stories that we hear through karakia that can be told within rākau. Taking this kawairau course allowed me to walk inside my wharenui and be like, oh, okay, so that's a story about Maui and Hinenui Te Pō. So that's what really pulled me into studying whakairo. I've had amazing support from tohunga whakairo artists, one being Kiritiro Tangata. He has always said that toi is a point. Toi is creativity. And individuals, whoever we are, we use different mediums to express that point, to express creativity. So whether you're expressing that creativity through videography or graphic design or whakairo, it doesn't really matter as long as you're expressing your creativity. And so he has been very, very supportive of all tauira that come through Te Wānanga Aotearoa, and especially wahine. I haven't had any pushback being a rangatahi Māori wahine in the space, and I think it's because of where I'm able to study at Te Wānanga Aotearoa. They are very open to whoever comes through the door. Whether you are not even Māori, they will take you as long as you're dedicated and willing to learn, then this is definitely a pathway for you.